gem picker is one of the most simplest yet greatest tools I use for my crafting projects because it saves me so much time and frustration when I'm working with tiny little flat back gems that are too small for my fingers to pick up quickly. I'll show you what one of them looks like. As you can see, the gem picker is filled with beautiful rhinestones inside the body of the picker. It comes encased in this clear acrylic storage case. It's nestled inside a plastic bridge which you can easily remove. The picker is dual-ended. On the one end there is a plastic cap that protects the wax tip. The wax tip is what you would use to pick up the gems to transfer them into position onto whatever craft piece you are embellishing. On the opposite end you have a more pointy, sharper end. It's a stainless steel tip that is not sharp per se, but it is pointy so you can use it to count your gems or move them into groupings on the table. And here I'll show you an example of how we use the gem picker. Your gems can be of any size and any shape. Just use the wax tip to gently pick up the gem pieces. With this gem picker, you can work much faster and you'll get much more accurate placement of your gems compared to using just your fingers.